Today we will talk about the profile of atomy in this video. Let's start. Atomy profile. First of all, we talk about Atomy, which is direct selling company. All its products are pure, organic and herbal. Two organizations work with Atomy. One is Kerry and the other is Colmar. If you talk about Kerry, Kerry is working since 1959 and now it has 40 laboratories in which 4,000 scientists are 1,500 PhD currently working. This company is to research and development and make formula for them and get new patent like nanotechnology, fermentation technology, nano capsule technology, radiation technology, product manufacture of R&D and Colmar by Kerry. We are going to have a good what is Colmar and what does it do Colmar? Colmar is 100-year-old manufacturing company. It uses the world most high technology. NAM is OEM and ODM. ODM means original design manufacturing and this pharmaceuticals. MAC cosmetics and health supplements and it globally has more than 500 clients to whom it makes product clients like Oral, Paris, Amway and Clinique etc. It has more than 2000 cosmetics products. These two companies, Kerry and Colmar, Ministry of Education, Science and Technology, Government Works for of South Korea, all the products that are made in by them are distributing them from Atomy 2006 all over the world. Now let's see what is Atomy. Atomy started in 2006 and its founder is Mr. Hangil Park. Atomy was working in South Korea from 2006 to 2009. In 2009, he created a global marketing business plan and in 2009 he launched Atomy first in USA. Atomy is currently working in 16 countries and in 2020 it is going to launch in 18 countries. Different country in India in November 2020. Now the question is why would you do this business? So its feature are given below. There is no fees join. You can buy item at wholesale price. You can buy products anytime according to your needs. The company has no bond above this. If you want, why doesn't you buy only one toothbrush box and paste box once a year? You are not bound to buy products every month. Every month, no annual or renewal fees. No need to buy product. To join your can shop for products anytime. Throw growth. The year as per your needs. On one ID, you can do business all over the world. Wherever there is atomic business, the products we are purchased are sent to your given address. You doesn't have to go to the store or shopping mall. Atomic plan. Now we will know about the company plan. How much money can we earn in this business? The company keep 30% of the 100 with it and 7% distributors. Us distributor 44% daily matching bonus. It has 8 slab and 20% mastership bonus distributor which has 7 different rank and 6% distributor education center. I hope you got the profile right. Thanks for listening to me. Thank you.